Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your boy named Jaquan Moultrie. If you're here for the first time watching my YouTube video and you would like to learn how to make money as an affiliate marketing, or if you never heard of affiliate marketing before, this is your first time coming to my video on my channel, please, what I want you to do, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you comment down below if you like this video. Alright? And hit that notification bell button as well. Because what I want to do, I want to show you how to create a funnel from scratch with ClickBank. Okay? So what I want to do, we're going to go straight to the video. And as I'm talking to you and as I'm showing you, I want you to follow along what I do, because I don't want you to miss out the tutorial video what I'm about to show you right now. And it's going to blow your mind. Okay? So what we're going to do, let's get right into the video and make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I want 1,000 likes on here as well. Okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to go to ClickBank, right? This is my account, ClickBank account, right? But we're going to hit Marketplace right now, right? So what we're going to do as of right now, we hit Marketplace, right? So what I want to do, we're going to do e-business / e-marketing, all right? So we're going to hit affiliate marketing, and we're going to sort this by gravity, right? So as an affiliate, right, you come here, you want to sort this by gravity. You know how many affiliates been making money, been making sales with ClickBank? A lot of affiliates been making $10,000 days, $20,000 days, $30,000 days. It could be you. But if you want to be consistent and you want to make these daily commissions, you got to do what's right. Because I know some of you guys probably don't know what affiliate marketing is. Okay, I'm going to break it down to you before we get started. Affiliate marketing is when you're promoting a product from a website, which is ClickBank, from different products, right? You promoting a product from different businesses, and if that customer clicks on that link and decides to buy that product, you're going to get a commission, okay? Whether it's 30%, 50%, whether 80% commissions, but it's all goes directly to you, okay? So you are an affiliate, so that means as an affiliate, you're here to promote a product. So here's the thing. I know some of you guys probably don't know about affiliate marketing, but affiliate marketing would definitely help you quit your 9-to-5 job. Look, I was in the struggle too as well, but guess what? I now do affiliate marketing. I do affiliate marketing because you know why? Because affiliate marketing is the best way to make money from your comfort home. And you ain't got no boss telling you what to do or telling you all type of BS. You ain't got to work up early in the morning to get started for work. Nah. You become your own boss. You do what's right for yourself. Alright? So we're going to continue. So now we got the 12-minute affiliate, right? Say for example, the 12-minute affiliate, you're going to get paid $200. If somebody click this link and you promote it and somebody click on this link and they decide to buy, you're going to make $200.81 per sale. All right? So the average conversion is $200.81 per sale. So that means the gravity score right now is 64.76. How many affiliates been promoting this? A lot. And you know why this gravity score right here, you know what that means, right? When a lot of affiliates start promoting this, they make a lot of sales. So that means it's really hot in the market. It's really hot. It's a winning product. All right. Now, the next one, we got the affiliate Millionaire. All right. I did my own research, but I'm not going to talk about this in this presentation video. All right. So here's the thing. Affiliate Millionaire, we can check this out. Let's check it out for a second. Let's see what it looks like. All right. There we go. So for those people who really wants to, like learn about ClickBank, if you really want to make money off of ClickBank and you want to make money from ClickBank and you want to change your life, then my best thing is I did a review. Well, I haven't did a review for this video, but what I want to do, I want to tell you, if you really want to change your life with ClickBank and you want to make between $5,000 to $10,000 per month or per week, then I suggest for you to click this link down below so that way you can learn more about Affiliate Millionaire. Because Affiliate Millionaire, it helps people as well, because a lot of people reached out to me and they was like, hey man, it changed my life. I made my first 10K, and that's what happens. So if you really want to change your life for the better and you tired of struggling from your 9 to 5 job, then I think the best thing is for you is to come watch this webinar video that will teach you how to make money with ClickBank. Because several people had changed their life by making money with affiliate marketing, And I think it might be the best for you to join this amazing platform, okay? You can still have a ClickBank account, but if you want to make consistent $10,000 days or more, then I suggest for you to come here. You can click the link down below and you can check it out for yourself, okay? But now this is a sales page, okay? So this is how it looks right now. There's testimonials. You got people who, you got affiliates that made a lot of money, okay? So here's the thing. I'm going to create a funnel, and that funnel is going to be created by me. All right? So we're going to exit out of here. All right? Let's see what the sales page look like. Oh, okay. So what we do with the sales page, we can get email swipes. So email swipes, yes, we can get email swipes. So email swipes, man, let me tell you something. Email swipes, you can copy and paste it, but I don't use email swipes like that, because you know why? Because it might sound good to do that, but to me, I don't use email swipes like that. I'd rather just, promote it in a different way, or create a landing page, or create a funnel. That way you can collect emails. So I'm telling you, if you guys want to be successful in life, you might want to keep paying attention, because I'm showing you guys how to be successful in life. Okay? So just remember that. You got to understand. You got to remember. Let me go back. Okay? All right. So here we go again. All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this and we're going to... Actually, no. What we're going to do... Yeah. So we're going to do ClickFunnels. Okay? And then we're going to copy that. We're going to save that. Now, what we're going to build a funnel from scratch. All right? So that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to build a funnel from scratch. Now, what we want to do when we come to ClickFunnels, if you guys never heard of ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels is a ClickFunnel builder. So you build a landing page, you collect emails, you can sell your products, or you can host a webinar video. But if I was you as an affiliate, I would like to collect emails. So that way you'll have once you collect emails, you'll have emails follow-ups. Okay. So on the next video, I will show you guys how to create. an autoresponder and how to connect your autoresponder with ClickFunnels. Okay. So we're gonna call this one best way to make money. Best way to live, to live your life. We're gonna call it like that. Best way to live your life. All right. Now, so what we're gonna do, okay? We're gonna look for a good template. We're gonna look for a good template right now, as you can see. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to look for a good template, right? So I gotta make sure. Hold on. Go back to ClickBank real quick. I gotta make sure I copy this right here. I gotta make sure, I gotta have it look like this, but I can really decorate it pretty much. And the buttons got to be yellow, so I know how to create a landing page from scratch. It's not hard. It's very simple. All you have to do is just do your due diligence and know how to do it right, because you want to make sure it don't have to be perfect, but you just want to make sure the same background color is a little light blue. I mean, a little blue. You don't want it to be dark blue. You want it to be a little light blue. So you gotta always, do it like that. So here it is right here. So what I'm going to do, we're going to look for an easy template to use right now. Okay, we're going to use. All right, we're going to. Okay, we're going. Let's see. Okay, let's see something here. Sorry guys, bear with me for a minute. Bear with me 1 second. I'm trying to look for a good template to promote. I mean, a good template to build this funnel for us. Okay, because I want to show you guys how to build an actual funnel. That way you can learn and start collecting emails and get email follow-ups. Okay. All right. So let's see what's up with this real quick. Crap. I'm still looking right now. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do it like this. I'm just gonna hurry up and pick one because I know we're running out of time for this right now. So forget it. I'm just gonna pick this. All right. So I selected a funnel, right? Select a template. So now what I want to do, I want to hit edit page, right? So what I want to do is we can take these off. We don't need these pictures. Actually, we don't need these pictures at all. Okay, we definitely need the title. Okay, we need the title. Okay, we can change that, and we can also change this. So what we're gonna do here, actually what I want to change the title real quick. So what I want to do, change the title to here, and I want to copy this title. We're gonna paste it, copy it, and then we're gonna go back to ClickFunnels, and then we're gonna paste it right there. Oh, yes. All right. So what we want to do here. Okay. All right. So what we want to do, we want to say, please type in your email. Oops. Okay. So now we got that out the way. And now what we want to do, right? What we want to do, we want to take this, we want to like use this yellow, and then go to settings. We want to change that into white. No, white. Okay, got it. All right, there we go. So now what we want to do, we want to put this, we want to leave this in yellow. So now what we want to do, we want to select a section, right? So, okay, I'll mind you, right here. Oops. Okay, let me go back to ClickBank. Let me promote it. I'm gonna go back to we're gonna do ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels. Generate hop link, copy. And then we're gonna go back here. Hold on 1 second. Let me go back here. And then we're gonna copy it. And then we're gonna do it like this. Okay, there we go. Alright. So there we go. So now we got our Now we got our affiliate link. So now what we're gonna do, right? Okay, we're gonna save this. We're gonna and on top of that, image, we're gonna hit this. All right. Now what we want to do, we want to save this, right? We want to start collecting email. So what we want to do, we're gonna exit out of here. We don't need to do a thank you page. We just need to do an opt-in page because that's when you want to collect email. Okay. So here's the thing. What I'm going to do, we already have everything set up already, ready to go. That was easy, right? So here's the thing. And it's gonna automatically take me right here to the sales page. So that's about it, guys. So if you want to learn more about how to make money online, then make sure you hit that subscribe button each time. And hit that like button too. And comment down below if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing. Alright? So that's about it, guys. I'll see you guys later, man. Bye bye.